Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Ay, nakaganito tayo. It's currently ano ba yan yung ating camera? It's currently 4:09 po ng hapon. And I am heading to the store. But first, I'm gonna drop off Kuya Kent to the barber. Wait, don't take forever, girl. Because she wants to go with me. I don't know why.
Oh my gosh. This stupid boy is giving me mixed signals. Gosh, he says he likes me, and then he tells my friend, what? No, why? I would never like her. Shut.
Well, some people are doing that all the time, you know?
Freaking boys, I hate them.
Yeah, they always do that. Like, they tell you something, but they're like embarrassed to tell everybody.
I'm a sucker puncher, bro.
But you know what? Just ignore that kind of stuff. Who cares? Anyway guys, reklamo si Cassie about doon sa boylet. Sa kanila, ang bata-bata pa nila. So guys, yes, we're gonna drop off. Cassandra's going with me. We're gonna drop off Ken first sa kanyang haircut. And then, go straight to the store. Because we do really need to get the stuff ready guys for our trip to the Philippines. Kasi sobrang busy ko. But right now, I have to do it. Tapos, inaantay ko lang saglit yung aking friend. If hindi siya dumating on time and I had to take Kent already, si husband ko nalang magbibigay sa kanya ng coffee. Kasi she bought 3 boxes of coffee. Anyway, maggawa muna tayo ng coffee. Is it chilly outside? Yeah. Alam mo, ang weather ngayon, guys, is really crazy. Parang hindi kami tinatantanan ng lamig. Seriously. You guys are still young.
I know.
Coffee. Got tayo ng coffee, guys. And then, we'll go.
But I don't want to.
Hey guys, andito na kami ngayon sa ni Kuya. Gidrop off ko lang siya pero magbabayad ako through Zelle. Mura kasi dito guys. 20 lang naman but of course, kailangan natin siyang bigyan ng tip. Natural na yan dito guys. And then, pupunta kami ngayon sa store ni Ate Cassie. Naiwan na doon si Gabriel. So, pay lang tayo. And then, we go. Ay, I forgot. Hold on. Let me send Kent. Did I took a screenshot? Oh, okay, I did. Alright. So, tara guys. Let's go. Pili siya ng chips. Ganitong oras, not so much people. Go. Make sure the one that's not, you know, dangerous for ya, girl. Tapos mamili pa pala tayo ng mga chocolates. Kasi para talaga ready to go na ang ating bag, para mga damit na lang ang ating lalagay. What? Ha? Ano? Ewan ko ano. Hindi masyadong maraming tao dito. Pag ganito yung oras talaga. That's good. I don't know if my family would like this. Siyempre parang hindi, no? Tayo ng chocolate for the family.
She's weird.
Daming mapagpipilian. Dagdag na lang tayo ng ganito guys. Para marami tayong chocolate na ma-share. What? Used by. Okay, pwede to. What's that? Go get one if you want. And this 11. Then, ano pa ba? Wala na dito tayong mga bet. Very good.
Not really good, Sean.
Not really? Ooh, that's yummy. Lindor. Here the chili. Kasi yan sila mahilig ang fambam ko saan. Ito na lang, no? Try kaya natin to. Extra milk. Oh, Hershey's. Special dark. Milk na lang. Ito na lang. Meron na ata nito eh. Kuha tayo nito, guys. At least mga 10. Kunin na natin lahat. Hanap pa namin hanap sa tea. Andito lang pala. Hey, you know, I know how to make boba now.
That's gonna take us forever. We don't have tapioca and we don't have cornstarch.
I know. I'm looking for my Lipton.
Lipton.
Not that.
But
I
I
want the
want-
sweet one.
But I want
Where's the other one? The green tea. Oh, right here, right here, right here. But signature
I
blend.
want the packages though. It's easier.
Go ahead. Find.
Like the ice cream.
Ayaw ko yung green tea decaffeinated. Guys, so far ito yung nabili namin. And we're looking for PJs for Cassie. Yeah, there you go. Look for small. Small or extra small?
It's the only size they got, so this is what we're going with.
That's too big for you.
Who cares?
Medium.
It's not like I'm gonna wear it out of the house.
No, small, girl.
But they don't have any other size for me.
Yes, there's more in there.
No, it's the only one.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
more in here, in here, in here.
What I thought.
In here, girl. Ay, it's all large.
Who cares? It's cute.
Are you sure that's fine? Medium? Okay.
So we can wear.
One pair.
How about this one? They're kind of cute though.
Huh?
They're kind of cute.
Okay.
For Walmart clothing.
Yeah, it's cheaper. Go.
Wait, can I take about the hardest?
Tapos na kami. Maria. Bayad na kami, guys. Ito yung nabili namin. So, bili lang kami ng dinner. Come on, Cas. Can you push it? Mag-Charlie's lang kami. Kasi wala akong time magluto. So, let's go. May pa-free sila na wings. Pero, kailangan bumili ng large na Bili kami ng drink. Kailangan bumili lang large drink. And then you will get free wings. Yay! What you got? Okay. Share with your brother, huh?
Oh, this is mine instead of yours.
Well, it's mine, really.
Let's see.
That's fine. So, waiting kami sa order namin, guys.
Cheers.
Guys, na-pick up namin si Kuya. Tapos na kami ni Cassie na grocery.
Sit right here.
Alright, let's go.
No, don't sit there.
What?
It's wet.
Oh my.
Come on, let's go. Na-spill ni Cassie yung soda, guys. Sayang naman.
At least I didn't break.
Alright, Kuya got a new
Is
haircut.
that fried chicken I smell?
No, it's Tarzan.
It's chicken wings. We all can share because we got it free. I mean, you have to purchase a large drink, which Cassandra spilled. But I think it's kind of they're having a promo today, which is good. But you have to spend more money in large drink. Anyway, guys, pauwi na kami, guys. Oops, let's slowly sneak in here. Okay. Because everybody's hungry. So do I. Guys, we're home. Ito na yung mga... Hindi na ako mag-haul, guys, kasi marami. Wash your hand, Cass. Okay, good. Same food lang naman. Yung mga sandwich, oh. Right here. It's yours. Yeah. Okay. This is Gabriel. Oh, wait, because I buy you guys some. Yours is regular. Oh, okay. This is ours. Dad and Mom. And, same food lang to. Sa totoo lang. Okay. Dad and Mom. I don't really want to eat tonight, but... Oh, here it is. Okay, which one? This one is yours, Kuya. I'll just put yours in here, okay? You want some chicken wings, Cass? Okay, you're full. Okay.
I made chicken. I made chicken in culinary, so I'm good.
Alright, so I just leave your kuan.
My what?
I just leave your... Alright, kain tayo dinner, guys. Yung mga bagets, nag-ano na sila. Tapos na sila nag-dinner. And then, ako kasi I had to put all the stuff away. Sa asawa ko, si Gabriel, tapos na din, guys. Si Kuya. Si Cassie wala pa. Andyan pa ang food niya kasi busog pa daw siya. This is what we got. And we have lunch. Tapos, fries. Sayang nga lang, nasayang yung soda. Anyway, so sa ngayon lang na trip namin ni Cassie, nakagasto po tayo ng 600 plus, guys. Almost 700. Grabe, no? Ganyan talaga dito sa Amerika, guys. Dollar ang kita, pero dollar naman ang gasto. So, sa totoo lang, same lang din. Yeah, kasi preparasyon na yan para sa aming bakasyon. So, sa ngayon, tama na muna ang paggasto ko. Yun na yun. Kasi namili ako ng maraming chocolate para pamigay natin sa Pilipinas. Kasi guys, exciting! Lapit na. Nakaka-excite, no? Sabagay, sino ba naman ang hindi ma-excite kung makikita mo yung family mo and makakasama mo sila, and then yung place mo, yung lugar mo kung saan ka lumaki. So, I'm excited. Sana hindi na lang ako bumili ng sandwich, no? Kasi sa totoo lang, ayaw ko muna sana mag-dinner ngayon eh. Dahil kumain nga ako doon sa work. Anyway. Meron din pala tayong chicken wings. Ay, napakita ko na to kanina, right? Yan. Promo ko nun nila, pero same lang din. You know, chicken wings. So, kain tayo. Kain muna tayo ng dinner. And then, kasi magpapack ako ng mga jewelries. Kasi may mga orders ako. Kain tayo.